Amplification. Little learning is a dangerous thing. A man who knows only a little gets puffed up and tries to show off his knowledge whenever he gets a chance. His false pride makes him blind to the harm that he does to his society. When we learn a thing, we must learn it well, or else we will be in danger. This may be compared to saying half cooked rice will do harm to health. For example, a man with a little knowledge of motor driving may cause an accident on the street and kill passers-by. Or a man with little knowledge of electricity may be badly electrocuted if he fiddles with live wires. So, we should not attempt to do anything with a little learning, as it is dangerous.